In the last few years, everyone keeps asking the same question. Is AI going to kill my job? Some people say, all jobs are dead, it's over. Others say, don't worry, nothing will change. The truth is in the middle. AI will replace some things, but some types of jobs are not dying. They're actually becoming more valuable. Today let's talk about the jobs that won't die in the age of AI, and what skills you need to stay on the winning side. Before we talk about safe jobs, we need to be honest about what AI is actually good at. AI is extremely good at three things: repetitive tasks, rule-based decisions, data-heavy pattern detection, writing the same type of email 1,000 times, summarizing similar documents again and again, scanning massive spreadsheets for patterns. AI is already better than humans at those. So yes, a lot of routine, copy-paste style work is in danger, but that's not the whole story. There are areas where current AI hits a wall. That's where the jobs that don't die live. The first category, jobs that are built on deep human-to-human interaction. Think about therapists and psychologists, great teachers and coaches, real leaders and managers, not just bosses, social workers, mediators, counselors. The value here is not just information, it's trust, empathy, and the ability to really read another human being. AI can give advice, it can simulate empathy with nice words, but it doesn't truly understand your culture, your childhood, your trauma, or your micro-facial expressions. These jobs don't die. They evolve into human plus AI hybrid roles. The therapist who uses AI for notes and analysis, but connects with the patient as a human, will be more powerful than both a therapist without AI and an AI without a human. Second category, high-level creative and strategic work. Low effort, generic content is in danger, but real creativity and original thinking are not. We're talking about creative directors, storytellers and screenwriters with a strong personal style, product and game designers, strategic thinkers who design campaigns, brands, and experiences. AI can generate a lot of ideas, but it doesn't know which idea fits this brand, for this audience, in this culture, at this time. The person who says, I don't just use AI to generate random stuff. I use it as a brainstorming engine, and I choose, refine, and combine, will win hard in this space. The real power is not just prompting, it is framing the problem and curating the output. Third category, complex physical, field, and craft work. Real life is messy, walls are not perfectly straight, pipes are not always where the blueprint said, weather changes, tools break. These jobs include skilled technicians and craftsmen, field engineers, complex surgery, on-site troubleshooting and repair. Robots and automation will help, but they struggle with unexpected chaos in the physical world. People who can walk into a broken system, understand what's going on, and fix it on the spot, are not disappearing anytime soon. AI becomes their assistant, not their replacement. Fourth category, the people who build, guide, and supervise AI itself. This includes AI engineers and data scientists, system and architecture designers, AI product managers, evaluation, safety, and ethics specialists. AI can write code. AI can optimize itself to a point. But the big questions are still human questions. What are the goals? What is allowed and what is not? What is fair, legal, and ethical? What happens if this goes wrong? These jobs don't die. They are being born right now. No job is 100% safe, but some skills make you extremely hard to replace, no matter what your job title is. Here are three of them. First, AI literacy. Not just being a fan, but actually knowing how to use AI tools in your work. The person who knows how to plug AI into their workflow is always more valuable than the one who ignores it. Second, problem framing. AI is powerful, but it needs the right questions and constraints. If you can say, here's the real problem, here's the context, and here's what a good solution looks like, you become the brain that guides the machine. Third, human skills. Communication, collaboration, persuasion, empathy. Companies don't run only on code and data, they run on people. If you can lead, coordinate, and build trust, AI becomes your amplifier, not your enemy. So, will AI kill jobs? Yes, some, especially repetitive, low creativity, routine-heavy roles, but jobs built on deep human connection, real creativity and strategy, complex physical problem-solving, and guiding AI itself, these are not dying. They are evolving and gaining value. If you learn to work with AI, frame problems clearly, and double down on your human skills, you won't just survive this new era, you'll actually be ahead of it. If you want more videos about specific jobs and how AI will change them, tell me your job in the comments, and I'll break it down in a future video.